The growing world of online has opened up some unusual but real opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. Here is your guide to 10 lesser known but real ways of making money online. Earning money online has never been as easy as now. The growing world of online has opened up some unusual but real opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. And worry not, you don't need special skill or qualification before you say get set go. You could start earning money by simply clicking on advertisement by visiting websites such as ClickSense.com, Bucks and Newbucks. These are pay-to-click sites and require a user to register. Such sites also reward you monetarily for providing them with references. You too can benefit from the rise of social media platform where organizations across business pay you for posting about them and their products. These sponsored posts include posting pictures and talking about company products on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you like watching TV, you can make a quick buck off simply watching short video. All you have to do is reach out to research from Nielsen or become a Netflix tag to watch content on your device and get paid for it. There are other places like Inbox Dollar which pay you in cash for watching videos. Don't worry, as you don't need to possess technical know how you are skills to earn money as you test website. You just get paid for spending time on a website and helping the developers with your user experience. You have to provide them feedback on the look and feel of the website and its functionality. With web testing, you can earn between $5 and $60 per hour. For web testing, you can try use testing and role testing time to earn money. Start earning money by installing some of these apps. ScreenLift. Make this Android app as your first screen to earn points or lifts. Fronto. This is an other lock screen app which lets you exchange points for Walmart, Amazon, PayPal, gift card and Google Play etc. SlideJoy. Use your lock screen to earn cash like reward. Sweetcoin. Get reward for just walking around. Ibotta, a cashback app which pays you $20 just for using it. Playing games. Some sites will pay you money for playing games. These include Second Life, Swagbucks, Lucktastic, and Mistplay. Some of these websites pay you in the form of gift card and some through PayPal. You can earn money by taking online survey on website like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollar. Such sites don't pay much, but you can still earn $0.50 to $3 per survey. Join a focus group. Earn by becoming a part of focus group or testing brand products with user interviews. Focusgroup.com or Respondent.io. Bring those old gift cards out of the cupboard. Keep some, but those which you don't want to sell them online through card cash and receive cash back. Do you have boxes and albums full of pictures, the old and the new? Are you the one who clicks picture whenever something interesting catches your eye? If the answer is yes, then reach out to stock photography websites which are always looking for photos for several subjects. You can upload your images to popular photography sites like Shutterstock, Photoshutter, and Getty Image. The best part is you get paid every time someone buys a photograph clicked by you. Make a small beginning and earn from home by exploring some of these options.